If you've previously closed your Robinhood account and wish to reopen it, follow these steps to guide you through the process. Make sure you have your account information handy. Step 1. Visit the Robinhood website or app. Go to the Robinhood website or open the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Ensure you are connected to the internet for a smooth experience. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your login credentials, including your email and password. If you have forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. Step 3. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings section. This is usually found in the Profile menu, which may be represented by your account icon or settings square. Step 4. Select Account Reopening option. In the Account Settings, look for an option related to account reopening or customer support. Click on this option to initiate the process of reopening your account. Step 5. Follow the prompts and provide information. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the reopening process. You may need to verify your identity and provide any necessary information to reactivate your account. After completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation regarding the status of your account reopening. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Robinhood's customer support for assistance.